Hello everyone, Precious Now is back with another recruitment video from this multinational company called Capgemini. If you are interested to land in this MNC or if you are looking forward for any jobs in MNC like this video is going to be the right video for you. Stick all to the end because we are going to discuss as to how to apply as well from the same official website. If you want to read the details on your own, consider yourself clicking on the link which is placed in the description box. It will be redirecting you to the official website for all of the direct eligibility parameters. And if you want the links also to apply at one place itself, you can consider checking our website, which is Precious Now. Precious Now website will not only just give you details and leave you like that, but we are going there in that particular place itself with the links to start applying also. So if you are interested, check the details plus links at one place in Precious Now. And for more regular job updates like these, don't forget to join us through Telegram Precious Now channel, because you must not be missing out any of this national jobs which I am going to be telling. So consider yourself joining us through Telegram from the link which is placed in the description box and don't miss out. So with that note, we would be now heading over to the eligibility criteria details, or what is this particular recruitment about. Now, as you can see, Capgemini Engineering MCA batch for 2022 pulled out for all of the branches, and the job functions is going to be for engineering, web or software, and CTC is going to be 40 lakhs per annum, and the salary breakup is going to be one-time incentive, as you can see here, after you have completion of 1 year in this particular organization. Now, what is this job about? The referred candidates must meet all of the following criteria. Candidates, you have to be graduating in 2022 batch only. So only the candidates who are going to be passed out in the next year. This is the right chance for you. You can grab this opportunity and start applying. With the qualification of MCA, BE, BTech for all of the branches, ME, MTech students, only open for information technology, science or computer science, and also should have 60% of marks in your diploma, graduation, aggregate considered in all the semesters. And candidates should have not more than one gap year between your academic stages, and the academic milestone for all the stages are considered to be 10th, 12th degree and then your post-graduation. This is how your line of education should be. Now, candidates should have, as they have already mentioned, only one gap year is considered, and appeared milestone for this within the gap year 12th twice will be considered, and then taking 5 years versus 4 years to complete your BE or a BTech, that will also be considered, and choosing a degree after a diploma with the gap years, that is also will be considered. So under these parameters only gap years will be considered, not just according to your convenience. And you shouldn't have any sort of backlogs, whitelist when you're applying for this position, and must be flexible to relocate to any location that they are going to place you. So if you're interested, then head over to apply. If not, just please don't. And should be open to sign service legal agreement at the time of the joining, and only shortlisted candidates will be further proceeded for the assessment criteria, and then selection process from the test to the interview will be done only through virtual mode. So make sure you are having a good internet at your home. Candidate will be responsible for arranging all of the infrastructure whitelist when you're appearing for the selection processes, which will be conducted online. And candidates who have already attempted this Capgemini Campus 2022 assessment, those will not be considered to apply. This is for all of the freshly passed out candidates. They can grab this opportunity for further. Now, post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job which you will participate in this particular event, and this is just a disclaimer where you will be agreeing to all the terms and conditions for this position, which is given by Capgemini. So if you want to apply, you can just click here, and then it will be redirecting you to this particular page where they will be asking you your email. So I'm just giving out our email, and once if you give your email, then it will next they will ask you to register and apply. So click on register and apply. It will redirect you to this criteria pages. So it has ample of pages in between, as you can see, to this particular column. It will ask you to fill your basic details, which is your first name, your emails, and all your mobile numbers, password, etc. Now, if you leave anything empty or if you give invalid email, that will not be accepted, because further confirmations or any sort of further correspondence will be taken up through email. So that is why give a active email and mobile number. Once if you fill this, then you have to save and next. If you leave anything empty, it will not proceed you. So everything will be asked like required field, and then contact details, then you have to fill in your education. After that, last, it's all done. Then you will be finally submitting your application. If you have any other queries, you're always welcome to put them in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos like these, because you might not be missing out to land in such companies. And for tuning in for more videos like this, you have to first subscribe to our channel. So don't forget to do that. And thank you so much for watching.